Vegan Cheesehead here at White Castle on the ground level of Casino Royale in Las Vegas, Nevada. Billy Ingram launched White Castle in 1921, selling small, square, 5-cent burgers so easy to eat they were dubbed sliders and sold by the sack. White Castle offers two types of plant-based burgers, a classic veggie patty which is all vegan, and the plant-based Impossible patty. Both are prepared fresh and take extra time to cook. I ordered 8 of the classic veggie patties. This patty consists of carrots, onions, string beans, oat bran, soybeans, zucchini, peas, broccoli, corn, spinach, garlic, and red pepper. There are 2 White Castle locations in Las Vegas. One on the main strip across the street from the Mirage, and the other location is near Fremont Street. Visit whitecastle.com to find a store near you. Thanks for watching, and visit vegancheesehead.com.